Welcome to each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we've all gathered here for a very exciting launch by NPCI Bharat BillPay. So, NPCI Bharat BillPay has been at the forefront of bill payments and collections in India. So, let's together now watch a quick video on the growth of Bharat BillPay categories. Can I have the video, please?
Bharat BillPay's unwavering commitment lies in making bill payments accessible to every individual across the expanse of India. As our ecosystem continues to strengthen, it brings forth an expansion of our service categories. Today, in collaboration with our esteemed ecosystem partners, we proudly enable bill payments spanning 26 diverse categories. This strategic diversification has yielded a substantial surge in overall transactions over the past year, consequently revolutionizing the landscape of bill payments for more than 10 crore households across India. In the preceding fiscal year alone, these categories have shown almost twofold growth in the transaction volumes. Loan collection category transactions grew by 141%. FASTag usage doubled with 98% growth in transactions. LPG gas transactions rose by 51% versus the last financial year. Such remarkable achievements wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support of our invaluable ecosystem partners. Now, let's take a moment to hear directly from them about their journey alongside Bharat BillPay.
Hi, I'm Tanaji Koth, working with Bajaj Finance Limited and responsible for banking division. We would like to acknowledge here BBPS product of NPCI. Very easy to integrate, seamless transaction processing and quite scalable even for high volume processing. Currently, we do process approx 1.5 million plus transactions per month. It serves multiple payment purposes like overdue, part foreclosure and foreclosure of loans too. It helped to BFL as well as customers to driving the digital mandate. In coming times, we are quite confident on BBPS product innovations and expecting to deliver the SI for low EMI banking through BBPS with more ease compared to current EMI repayment channels. Our best wishes to NPCI and especially BBPS division of NPCI. Thank you.
Bharat Gas, Bharat Petroleum is so happy to be associated with BBPS platform. It's a seamless platform with interoperability, which is such a big boost to us that at one shot we are everywhere. It has given a tremendous upward swing to our number of transactions. We are almost doubling it month to month. We are on a 100% growth path and it is giving us a good flip to fulfill our digital mission. We are grateful to Nupur Chaturvedi ma'am, CEO of BBPS, under whose leadership the platform has witnessed such a tremendous growth, and we are grateful to the entire BBPS team. Thank you so much.
Well, that was indeed a very amazing video, and I'm sure we're all very excited going forward. So without any further ado, I'd like to take the pleasure of inviting up on stage Mr. Chinmay, Head Banking Alliances, NBBL. Let's have a round of applause as I invite him for his presentation.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's very nice to see a full house towards end of the day. I'm hoping that a lot of you have a lot of tired feet. So without taking a lot of time, we have seen the BBPS video just now. The journey so far since 2017 till date has been very, very fantastic. We have been setting benchmark and crossing a lot of milestones. So as we speak today, we have a prominent presence across 26 plus categories. We have biller operating units. We have almost 35 plus of them. We have 65 plus customer operating unit and more than 21,000 billers. As we speak, this entire ecosystem has made us reach year-on-year target achievement, both in terms of transaction numbers as well as value. With this last year, we could cross a billion plus transaction. However, in the month of December 22, we saw a new RBI monetary policy coming out, and with the release of this policy, the scope of BBPS was expanded. In the new scheme of things, BBPS was not just limited into non-recurring payment, but all kind of collection as well as recurring payment were a part of BBPS. So now we plan to cover up other parts of this thing. We have made a prominent presence into three segments. These are person to merchant, which is bill payment, person to government, which is all kind of toll taxes, and we would be having certain part of challans also. We also have a prominent presence in merchant to merchant space, which is B2B. While we continue to grow into this factor with the expansion of scope of BBPS as per the RBI policy, we aim to become the de facto collection platform for the country. And we very aggressively hope that we become a platform which is able to serve more than 1 billion transactions a month. So with this thought in mind, we would be launching two products today. First would be NCMC and second would be agent collection. Let's see a small video and take it forward.
Bharat BillPay has played a pivotal role in making bill payments accessible to all Indians residing in or outside India. We want to become the hub for all collections in India and help our ecosystem partners to grow further. Furthering our commitment to grow this ecosystem, we are excited to expand to new categories, enabling new use cases for our partners and co-creating convenience for the end customers. Bharat BillPay enabled channels like digital banking, payment apps, and physical touchpoints will now benefit from collecting payments for National Common Mobility Cards and Metro card recharges. Customers can now recharge their NCMC card up to 2,000 rupees. To enable bill collections from offline channels, we are introducing Agent Collection. Biller agents or third-party collection agents can now transfer cash collections from customers into the biller's account. This will streamline the collection process, reduce cost, and increase transaction security. This new category will enable subcategories such as loan repayment, insurance, and other collection use cases in the future.
I would like to invite my colleague Rizwan from the product side to take this demonstration further.
Thank you so much, Chinmay. Very good evening to everyone. Thank you for making it here and giving us the time and opportunity to bring not one, but two new use cases that we're very, very happy to launch. So the first one is something that will be close to most people's heart. I think everyone should be aware of commuting in the metro in the city that we live. And one of the most common problems that we've seen people who have an NCMC card face is the convenience factor of being able to top up their cards. So you would have found yourself at the station not being able to top up because there's a long line, trying to find the kiosk or the POS to get the update done for the balance recharge. And at the core of what we do at BBPS, it's always been about customer convenience. It's about bringing assurance to our customers. It's about bringing scalability. What we're bringing today to the stage is taking forward the NCMC recharges on BBPS-enabled channels, which will allow the customers the convenience of recharging any amount in multiples of 100. What they will be able to do through that is come on any of the platforms, make a seamless transaction, and be able to just walk in and out of the metro station. And this is just the beginning of what we have envisaged. I'll just like to walk you through a quick demo of the recharge. So a customer will come onto the SBI UniPay portal. They will enter their mobile number. They will enter the last 4 digits of the card. As soon as they enter the last 4 digits of the card, there will be a validation that will help verify that the customer has an NCMC card that they would like to top up. The payment request would then go in. Customer would have to enter the amount that they would like to recharge for. The payment details would require the mobile number and the email ID of the customer to get the receipt post the transaction. They have the convenience of selecting their payment account, so they could use net banking or any other payment choice that the customer would like. So in this, you're seeing that the customer is able to enter their ID, their PIN, and login. In case there are multiple accounts, the customer can select the one that they want to make the transaction with. They'll enter a security password, and finally, they should be able to see the transaction recharge hitting their account. That's the payment confirmation. So it's as seamless as that. We will be giving the opportunity for people to do it through UPI. Any mode is going to be open for the customers. And this essentially will help us bring convenience for all the customers to not be locked to just a kiosk or a POS or stand in a line, but they can recharge and top up their amounts and then be able to breeze through. I would now like to take the opportunity to invite onto stage Srimati Vidya Krishnan, DMD SBI. I would also like to invite onto stage Srimati Nupur Chaturvedi, CEO NBBL. Welcome on stage. Ma'am, yes ma'am, sure, we can have the team. Can I also request Mr. Purvang Shah, CGM IT, and the team of SBI, without which we would not be able to bring you the convenience and the added seamlessness to recharge your NCMC cards. Please come ahead. Could I request the NBBL team who's been able to bring us the NCMC recharge? I think both the teams have worked through toilets, through the nights, and been able to bring what is there in front of the screens. Karan, if I can request you, Shweta, Sai, Naga, please make your way to the stage.
So to the entire team of SBI, I wanted to just extend a round of gratitude and appreciation. SBI has been the fastest growing BOU on the BBPS system over the last 1 year. So thank you very much for that. Can I have a round of applause for them? And, like the saying goes, when the elephant starts moving, there's no one on the way. That's how the partnership with SBI has been over the last couple of years under the leadership of, Vidya ma'am and Rana sir. I would look forward to many, many such milestones achieved and categories opened with your help. Thank you very much.
If I could take this opportunity, ma'am, and get a couple of lines from you.
So first of all, thank you very much to the NBBL team for giving us this opportunity to pilot this endeavor. And recharge as a category is really going to help customers load amounts into their prepaid card. And this, we believe, is going to increase the adoption of the NCMC prepaid card and possibly make this as the most preferred choice for payments. And we really hope this happens. Good luck to both the teams. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would request you all to take your seats. So on that note, without taking much more time, I'd like to deep dive into the second category that we will be going forward with, which is agent collections. This is a category that we've closely monitored and tried to do extensive amount of work in, because we've realized that everything from managing the collection inefficiency to reconciliation in payments to standardization of the commercials has been an issue. If I were to just put it forward in layman's term, all billers face a problem with the agents running from door to door, collecting money, and what's a worse sight to experience than to see that the banking hours are off, or they have to carry that amount over with them for the next day without having the convenience of being able to pay it anytime or the nearest outlet that is there. We did a pilot and extensively tested this model with Bajaj Finance and United Insurance. We processed over 3.7 lakh transactions, and there's been an immense amount of learning that we have gone through for this category. I would just like to take this opportunity and show a small demo through the video. So in this, the service provider is selected. There is an agency code that would be entered. As soon as the agency code is entered, and bear with me because the network out here, as you might be experiencing, is as slow as it could be with the amount of, and then you go into the balance of the account. You select the account that you need to top up. The payment confirmation would be made in. So essentially what will happen is all the collections that the agent would make can seamlessly be transferred. It could be at an outlet, at an offline level, or it could be in an online mode. Both of this would be supported going forward. To take this forward, I would like to call on stage Shri Amit Chogle, Business Head, Bajaj Finance, with a round of applause. I would also like to invite on stage the Bajaj Finance banking team, Mr. Tanaji Khot, Anand, Prakash, and Nitin. Can I please request you all to make your way to the stage? I think what makes BBPS is really the ecosystem, as Nupur ma'am mentioned earlier. It's the ecosystem partners, so whether it's SBI Bank or whether it's the Bajaj Finserv team, we really can bring you the experience and seamlessness with all the categories that we launch through partners like this. So a round of applause, and I would like to request Amit Chogle to say a couple of words.
I think first of all, thank you to the NBBL team and Nupur ma'am. I think this category has grown big time at Bajaj Finserv app, and it has helped the operational inefficiencies and recon inefficiencies at Bajaj Finserv. As we speak, I think on a monthly basis, our agents are able to collect more than 3 lakhs of collections with over 170 crores of GMV. So overall, in terms of cost reduction also, it's a big in terms of our banking team. And that's how I think we'll grow the category, and we look forward for many more such categories from NBBL team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to the entire team. I would request you all to make your way to the seat. So with the 2 launches, you would feel that we would want to stop there, but at BBPS, the wheels need to keep churning. We need to think about what is the next problem that we can solve, what is the next category that can help drive convenience, security, assurance. With that in mind, the 3 upcoming use cases that I would like to apprise all of you of would be Life Insurance Corporation. We see an immense potential here to tap into the third-party transactions that are currently happening. With the extensive reach of Kendriya Vidyalaya, we are looking at 25 states and a lot of seamlessness and choice that will come on to the parents while making the education fee payment. Finally, I think on a lighter note, I think everyone in this room who drives must be having an e-challan ticket that's pending. So one of the key use cases that will definitely come up, and there is a lot of potential, is going to be e-challan, because the total addressable market for us there is huge, and it will drive a lot of convenience for everyone to be able to see multiple challans. I hope you're not in that space, but if you are, you'll be able to see that and then make a payment for it. So that's really what we had. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I think those are the launches, and appreciate the turnout here. That's about it from our side.